mess up my distress, love. You seem to fix and dress up my wounds as I show you minus my truth. Alongside yourself, it just seems to suit. These days, if I get to see you, I greet the news, smiling. It's a peek to my blues, make me weak at the knees as I fall to my shoes. So speak to me as I regroup, recuperation, raising points that I gotta run away from. Turn her upside down into relation. As I wake up, you already told the nation how to say it, and I'll save it. Yeah, you put me in the state, so I gotta make a statement. As I wait in, what you created, no longer looking faded. Cause you helped me to find a way in. When I wave it, you will help me up to face it. Yeah, and bring me right up to the occasion.
I'm grateful for this time we spent together. I hope we can go on rocking now into forever. I'm grateful for this time we spent together. Let's all get down and feel the vibe. You know we can make it better.
Yeah, I'm grateful for the country that we live in. Grateful for the ops that I'm giving. Grateful every day for new beginnings, for success and sharing out all my winnings. I'm grateful for hip-hop music, for beats to rap on when we do it, for DJs spinning tunes and producing, for the boom bap and the love movement. I'm grateful for the girls that smile and the kids that play while the bigger kids wow. I'm grateful for every breath that I breathe, and grateful for Mikey Rock, the MC. I'm grateful that I have followed my dream, and no matter what happens, I'ma stay on my steam. I'm grateful for my hands and my feet, for the bands and the beat, for the rap that treats you in. Grateful, yes, yes, y'all, and so grateful.
I'm grateful for this time we spent together. I hope we can go on rocking now into forever. I'm grateful for this time we spent together. Let's all get down and feel the vibe. You know we can make it better.
I feel grateful at the bass that beats in sync with my heart, takes place from pain of the past. Grateful at joy, knowing one day I could bring into this world a girl or boy. Grateful of hope for the future, with the beautiful Julie included. I'm grateful that I choose to perceive this world in a way most would never believe. And I'm grateful for the home that I stay at, the land that my fam held on to from way back. Grateful that I'll never take that for granted. Grateful I know everything here was planted with the hands of my mom, uncle and granddad for the generations to come. So I stand back and appreciate all that I have, and make sure I'm a man when it's poured in my hands. Yeah, all that I have, and make sure I'm a man for all of my fams. I'm grateful.